Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday the 16th. The market is closed, but I thought I'd make this video today and share with you guys a mistake that I did with NIO with some covered calls and what I could have done differently. So right before NIO day, the price of the stock was already moving up. There was FOMO coming in. People were buying into the stock. When I sold these covered calls, I got paid $1,500 for these contracts. I sold them way too soon. That was the first mistake that I did. I could have simply waited for NIO to go up even higher. But what I thought was, okay, NIO's going to float right around this price when I sold the covered calls. Then coming NIO day, after NIO day, I thought it was going to shoot up maybe $2, maybe even $3 more, and then come right back down to a support level because I thought people were going to be taking profits. It was going to be something like buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. That's what I thought was going to happen. So mistake number one was I sold the covered calls way too soon. I could have waited for the price of the stock to go even higher. I could have picked a better strike price and gotten a lot more premium. That's what I could have done differently on that. The other thing I could have done, mistake number two, if I would have waited for a swing trade with my average cost around $53.13, I could have done a little over $5,000 in profit by doing a swing trade. Now, what I ended up doing, again, I ended up selling those covered calls. At the same time, hey, I'm making money, right? It's $1,500 in premium. It's not that bad. Now, these options, they expire next week on the 22nd. So I'm just going to let these options expire for now. NIO ended up actually coming right back down in price. But this is the other mistake I could have done. If I would have bought these options back when NIO was above $60, around $63, $64, even $65, those contracts would have cost me a lot more money. If I would have bought them back thinking NIO was going to go higher, I could have overpaid for those contracts. And now, since NIO ended up coming back down in price, I would have just simply overpaid and lost money because now these contracts are a lot more cheaper. And I've made videos exactly on this topic, on making these kind of mistakes, buying the option back because you think it's going to go higher. Now, you can always roll it over, right? At this point, I'm just simply going to let the options expire. If I get assigned or not, it's still money coming into my account, $1,500. And I can then turn around and sell some cash secure puts. But on the bright side, the great thing about selling the covered calls is when I was down on NIO, I was actually collecting some premium, making money for simply holding the stock, buying the option back, rolling it over, reselling it, and all that kind of stuff. So that is the great thing about covered calls, right? You're still making money when you're down on the stock. The downside is this exactly. Sometimes you're just going to sell them too soon. Sometimes the price of the stock is just going to shoot up past the strike price. Sometimes you're just going to have to make a choice whether to buy the option back, roll it over, and stuff like that. So this is all part of the game of selling covered calls. If you guys want to see more videos on this topic or any other strategy, please comment down below. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.